बहुत ହେଇଗଲାଣି ନା ସରିବନି ପୁଣି କାଲି ଦେଖିବା ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା ଆଜି କୁହ ଜଲ୍ଦି କୁହ
डेजर्ट्स
डेजर्ट्स अवस्था खराब आज कराटे क्लास करिकी बॉडी आ हालत खराब अच्छी कौन करिया डेजर्ट्स डेजर्ट कौन गोबी डेजर्ट को कॉन्टिनेंट रे अछि
एशिया मंगोलिया चाइना
बिल्कुल मंगोलिया चाइना पैटागोनियन डेजर्ट
नॉर्थ अमेरिका
साउथ अमेरिका कंट्री अर्जेंटीना
अर्जेंटीना चिली
अर्जेंटीना चिहुआहुआन डेजर्ट कॉन्टिनेंट चिहुआहुआन डेजर्ट नॉर्थ अमेरिका यूएसए मैक्सिको सहारा डेजर्ट अफ्रीका सोनोरान डेजर्ट कॉन्टिनेंट
नॉर्थ अमेरिका
यूएसए मैक्सिको टाक्लामाकान डेजर्ट
चाइना
एशिया
चाइना एशिया चाइना ग्रेट विक्टोरिया डेजर्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया काराकुम डेजर्ट एशिया तुर्कमेनिस्तान पर्टिकुलर हला तुर्कमेनिस्तान थर डेजर्ट एशिया इंडिया पाकिस्तान किजिलकुम डेजर्ट बहुत इंपोर्टेंट एशिया कजाकिस्तान उज्बेकिस्तान तुर्कमेनिस्तान नामीब डेजर्ट अफ्रीका पोंटलैंड डेजर्ट PUNTLAND पोंटलैंड डेजर्ट अफ्रीका सोमालिया दस्ते मार्गो डेजर्ट एशिया अफगानिस्तान रेगिस्तान डेजर्ट अफगानिस्तान एशिया अफगानिस्तान दस्ते काबिर डेजर्ट बहुत इंपोर्टेंट दस्ते वाला जिते अछंती इंपोर्टेंट दस्ते काबिर ईरान दस्ते लूट
ईरान
बिल्कुल दस्ते काबिर दस्ते लूट हला ईरान दस्ते मार्गो हे गला अफगानिस्तान दानाकिल डेजर्ट दानाकिल DANAKIL अफ्रीका रे हॉर्न रे अछि पूरा जिबुटी इरिट्रिया इथियोपिया हॉर्न ऑफ अफ्रीका रे दानाकिल डेजर्ट मोजावे
नॉर्थ अमेरिका
यूएसए चल्बी डेजर्ट CHALBI चल्बी केन्या अफ्रीका अटाकामा डेजर्ट साउथ अमेरिका चिली पेरू साउथ अमेरिका चिली पेरू एतिकी डेजर्ट कालाहारी डेजर्ट अफ्रीका बोत्सवाना नामीबिया साउथ अफ्रीका आउ कौन थिला
July important days, book author, current affair.
ହୁଁ ଫୁଲ କୁଣ୍ଡରେ ମାଟି ବାଲି ଓ ଖତ ମିଶାଅ। ଏହି ବାକ୍ୟରେ ମାଟି ବାଲି ଆଉ ଖତ କଣ? ପଦ ହିସାବରେ କଣ ଏଟା ବାକ୍ୟର?
ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ
ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ।
ବିଲକୁଲ। ବସିବା ଠାରୁ କାଶିବା ଭଲ। ଏଠି କେତେଟା ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ ଅଛି ଆଉ କଣ କଣ?
ଦିଟା କ୍ରିୟାବାଚକ
କାଶିବା।
ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ ବସିବା କାଶିବା।
ବସିବା କାଶିବା ବିଲକୁଲ। ମହାନଦୀ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଗଙ୍ଗା। କେତେଟା ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ ଅଛି ଆଉ କଣ କଣ?
ମହାନଦୀ ଗଙ୍ଗା।
ତିନିଟା। ଓଡ଼ିଶା।
ଓଡ଼ିଶା
ଓଡ଼ିଶା ବି ତିନିଟା। ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ ପଦ କେତେ ପ୍ରକାର?
5।
ପାଞ୍ଚ ପ୍ରକାର।
5 ପ୍ରକାର। ମହାଭାରତ ରାମାୟଣ ଭାଗବତ ତିନୋଟି ମହାନ ଗ୍ରନ୍ଥ। ଏଠି ମହାଭାରତ ରାମାୟଣ ଭାଗବତ କେଉଁ ପ୍ରକାର ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ?
ସଂଜ୍ଞାବାଚକ।
ସଂଜ୍ଞାବାଚକ ବା ନାମବାଚକ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ। ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଆଗାମୀ ପିଢ଼ିର ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଗଢ଼ନ୍ତି। ଏଠି ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଆଉ ପିଲା କେଉଁ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ?
ଜାତିବାଚକ।
ଜାତିବାଚକ।
ଜାତିବାଚକ। ଗଙ୍ଗାଧର ଓଡ଼ିଶାର କାଳିଦାସ। ଏଠି କାଳିଦାସ କେଉଁ
ଜାତିବାଚକ।
ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ?
ଜାତିବାଚକ।
ଜାତିବାଚକ। ପ୍ରାଚୀ ନଦୀ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଗଙ୍ଗା। ଗଙ୍ଗା କେଉଁ?
ଜାତିବାଚକ।
ଜାତିବାଚକ।
ସୁନା କେବେ ବି ତମ୍ବା ହୁଏନି କି ମାଟି ହୁଏ ନାହିଁ। ଏଠି ସୁନା ତମ୍ବା ଆଉ ମାଟି କେଉଁ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ?
ନାମବାଚକ।
ବସ୍ତୁ।
ବସ୍ତୁବାଚକ। ବସ୍ତୁବାଚକ। ଖାଇବାଟା ସତ୍ୟର ଭଲ ହେଲା। ଖାଇବାଟା କେଉଁ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ?
କ୍ରିୟାବାଚକ।
ବିଲକୁଲ କ୍ରିୟାବାଚକ ବା କ୍ରିୟାଜ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ। ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କର ଖେଳ ଚାଲିଛି। ଖେଳ କେଉଁ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ?
କ୍ରିୟାବାଚକ।
କ୍ରିୟାବାଚକ। ପୁରାଣ ପଣ୍ଡାଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଭାଗବତ ପଢ଼ା ହେଲା। ପଢ଼ା କେଉଁ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ?
କ୍ରିୟାବାଚକ।
କ୍ରିୟାବାଚକ। ବେଦ ଆମକୁ ଶାନ୍ତି ମୈତ୍ରୀ ଓ ସମତା ଆଦି ଭାବ ଶିଖେଇଛି। ଏଠି ଶାନ୍ତି ମୈତ୍ରୀ ଓ ସମତା କେଉଁ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ?
ଗୁଣବାଚକ।
ଗୁଣବାଚକ।
ଗୁଣବାଚକ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ। ଆଗକୁ ପାହାଡ଼ ନଥିବ କି ବସିବାକୁ ପଥର ନଥିବ ଆଉ ଝରଣାରେ ପାଣି ନଥିବ। ପଥର ଆଉ ପାଣି କେଉଁ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ? ବସ୍ତୁବାଚକ ବିଲକୁଲ। ରାଧାନାଥ ଆମ ସାହିତ୍ୟର ଓ ୱାର୍ଡସୱର୍ଥ। ଏଠି ୱାର୍ଡସୱର୍ଥ କେଉଁ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ?
ଜାତିବାଚକ।
ଜାତିବାଚକ ବିଲକୁଲ। ଆଉ ରାଧାନାଥ?
ନାମ ବା ସଂଜ୍ଞା।
ବିଲକୁଲ ନାମବାଚକ। ଅରଣ୍ୟ କମିଯିବାରୁ ବଣୁଆ ପଶୁପକ୍ଷୀ କମିଗଲେଣି। ଅରଣ୍ୟ ଓ ପଶୁପକ୍ଷୀ କେଉଁ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ?
ଜାତିବାଚକ।
ଜାତିବାଚକ। ଏବେ ସହରରେ ଗାଁରୁ ଆସୁଥିବା ମଣିଷଙ୍କ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ବଢ଼ି ବଢ଼ି ଚାଲିଛି। ସହର ଗାଁ ଆଉ ମଣିଷ କେଉଁ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ? ଜାତିବାଚକ। ବାକ୍ୟରେ ଅନେକ ପ୍ରକାରର ଗଛ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ନିମ୍ବ ବେଲ ଓ ଶାହାଡ଼ା ଏକ ଏକ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଗଛର ନାମ। ନିମ୍ବ ବେଲ ଓ ଶାହାଡ଼ା କେଉଁ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ?
ନାମବାଚକ।
ନାମବାଚକ। ଚାଞ୍ଚଲ୍ୟ ସୃଷ୍ଟି ଅପେକ୍ଷା ସତ୍ୟ ପ୍ରକାଶ ସମ୍ବାଦପତ୍ରର ଧର୍ମ ହେଉ। ଚାଞ୍ଚଲ୍ୟ ଆଉ ସତ୍ୟ କେଉଁ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ?
ଗୁଣବାଚକ।
ଗୁଣବାଚକ ବିଲକୁଲ। ଖେଳ ଯଦି କ୍ରିୟାବାଚକ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ ଜାତିବାଚକ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ହବ?
ଖେଳାଳି
ଖେଳାଳି ବିଲକୁଲ।
ଖେଳାଳି
ବାକ୍ୟରେ ଯେଉଁ ପଦ କୌଣସି ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟର ନାମକୁ ସୂଚାଏ ତାକୁ କେଉଁ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ କହନ୍ତି?
କ୍ରିୟାବାଚକ
କ୍ରିୟାବାଚକ
କ୍ରିୟାବାଚକ ବା କ୍ରିୟାଜ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ। Recently, Union Minister of Law and Justice has amended conduct of election rules to raise the minimum age for senior citizen postal voting to how many years?
85.
85
5 years. Which state government has launched India's first OTT platform C-Space?
केरला
केरला
Kerala, बिल्कुल. Which state government has launched विधवा पुनर्विवाह प्रोत्साहन योजना? विधवा
झारखंड
बिल्कुल झारखंड. Which state government or union territory has launched Operation Kamdhenu to curb cattle smuggling?
जम्मू कश्मीर
Jammu Kashmir.
Hmm.
Who has won first prize in the 5th National Youth Parliament Festival 2024? वैष्णव पिचाई, कनिष्क शर्मा, यतीन भास्कर दुग्गल, यश रावत.
यतीन भास्कर
दुग्गल
यतीन भास्कर दुग्गल बिल्कुल. Which state government has announced to introduce Sabari ke rice initiative?
उत्तर
केरला
प्रदेश
Kerala बिल्कुल.
केरला
According to the recently released 5th edition of State Energy Efficiency Index 2023, who is the top performing state overall?
कर्नाटका
Karnataka. State Energy Efficiency Index 2023. Kei Panier has become the 27th district of which state? Kei Panier,
अरुणाचल प्रदेश
Arunachal Pradesh. India's first small-scale liquefied natural gas unit has been inaugurated at Bijaypur LPG plant, Guna district, Madhya Pradesh. It is operated by which company?
गेल
GAIL, बिल्कुल. Gas Authority of India Limited. India's first small-scale LNG unit has been inaugurated at Bijaypur LPG plant, Guna district, Madhya Pradesh. Which ministry has been given the award for best performance in accounts during financial year 23-24? Which ministry?
आईबी इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग
बिल्कुल, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. India's first National Dolphin Research Center has been inaugurated in which city?
पटना बिहार पटना
Patna, Bihar, बिल्कुल. Recently, Ambaji white marble from which state has received GI tag?
गुजरात
गुजरात
Gujarat, बिल्कुल. Ratlam garlic from which state has received GI tag?
केरला
Ratlam garlic. Ratlam अछि मध्य प्रदेश रे. Risa textile of which state has received GI tag? Risa textile.
त्रिपुरा
Tripura, बिल्कुल. Majuli mask of which state has received GI tag?
असम
असम
GI,
असम
बिल्कुल. Lakh bangles of which state has?
तेलंगाना
बिल्कुल. Hyderabad, Telangana. Kutch Rogan craft of which state has received GI tag?
गुजरात
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 Gujarat. Recently, which country has become world's first country to include right to abortion as a constitutional right?
फ्रांस
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 France, बिल्कुल. Recently, silver filigree or rupa tarakasi from which state has received GI tag?
Odisha, Cuttack, Odisha,
Cuttack, Odisha. Recently, Sub-Inspector Suman Kumari has become first woman sniper of which security force?
BSF, Border Security Force,
Border Security Force. Which team has recently won the 10th edition of Pro Kabaddi League 2023-24? Puneri Paltan, Dabang Delhi,
Puneri
Haryana
Paltans.
Steelers, Jaipur.
Puneri Paltan,
Puneri Paltans.
Puneri Paltan, बिल्कुल. Recently, Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated Def Connect 2024 in which city?
New
New
Delhi.
Delhi,
New Delhi. Recently, who has been elected as the Prime Minister of Pakistan? Nawaz Sharif, Shehbaz Sharif,
Shehbaz Sharif,
Shehbaz Sharif.
Sharif, बिल्कुल. Which country has become the first European country to criminalize ecocide at both national and international level? Ecocide. Belgium, Germany,
Belgium,
France, Italy. बिल्कुल, Belgium. Which state government has announced to launch Mukhyamantri Yuva Udyami Vikas Abhiyan? MUBA scheme.
Uttar Pradesh,
Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, बिल्कुल. Which state government has announced to launch Indirama Indlu housing scheme? Karnataka,
Telangana,
Telangana, बिल्कुल तेलंगाना. Recently, PM Modi laid the foundation stone of Indian Institute of Petroleum and Energy at which place? बेगूसराय बिहार.
Visakhapatnam,
बिल्कुल विशाखापट्टनम आंध्र प्रदेश. Recently, which country has become first Spanish-speaking nation in world to recognize Indian pharmacopoeia standards?
Nicaragua,
Nicaragua. Country of which continent?
Africa,
North America. Recently, in the 13th WTO Ministerial Conference, WTO has accepted the membership of Comoros and Timor-Leste. With this, WTO has how many members? 165, 166, 167, 168.
168.
166. 166. तो दीटा ऐड ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ନୂଆ Comoros and Timor-Leste जोटा is Timor. Recently, which state has become the first state in India to issue 5 crore Ayushman cards?
UP.
Uttar Pradesh,
UP.
बिल्कुल. Recently, which state has announced to establish a state water informatics center?
Odisha,
Odisha. Which company has partnered with Shakti India Election Fact Checking Collective Project? Microsoft, Google, बिल्कुल Google has partnered with Shakti India Election Fact Checking Collective. Recently, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated new admin com training building of Naval War College at Goa. What is the name of the building? Chera Chola Pallava Maurya.
Chola.
Chola,
Chola. Admin com training building of Naval War College at Goa. Chola. Recently, which university topped the medal tally in 4th Khelo India University Games 2023?
Chandigarh,
Chandigarh University. Who has been appointed as the Director General of National Security Guard? Rashmi Shukla, Sanjay Arora, Daljit Singh Chaudhary, Neena Singh.
Daljit Singh Chaudhary,
Daljit Singh Chaudhary. Recently, third edition of naval exercise Samudra Lakshmana was held at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh between India and which country?
Malaysia,
Malaysia. Samudra Lakshmana between India and Malaysia at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Recently, Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has launched Project ODiServe in which district Odisha?
Sambalpur.
Sambalpur. बिल्कुल. Recently, after the inclusion of Finland, how many members does NATO have?
32.
ଫିନଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ହଉଛି
33
31, 32 ହଉଛି ସ୍ୱିଡେନ।
31.
Sweden ହେଲା 32, Finland ହେଲା 31, total 32. According to the recently released status of leopards in India 2022 report, which state has largest population of leopards?
मध्य प्रदेश।
मध्य प्रदेश
Pradesh. Second highest?
कर्नाटका।
लद्दाख
उत्तराखंड।
Hi. मध्य प्रदेश फर्स्ट, सेकंड हला महाराष्ट्र, थर्ड हला कर्नाटक. Recently, an expert committee on uniform Know Your Customer rules has been formulated. It is headed by whom? Shaktikanta Das, Nirmala Sitharaman, TV Somanathan, Piyush Goyal.
टीवी सोमनाथन।
TV Somanathan. Expert committee on uniform Know Your Customer KYC rules. Recently, who has been awarded honorary knighthood by King Charles III of UK? Anil Agarwal, Sunil Bharti Mittal, मुकेश अंबानी, विजय शेखर शर्मा.
सुनील भारती मित्तल।
सुनील मित्तल
बिल्कुल सुनील भारती मित्तल. What is India's rank in International IP Index for 2024?
42।
40. Top
42.
top country?
यूएस।
USA.
USA.
Cool, USA. Which ministry has launched मेरा पहला वोट देश के लिए कैंपेन? Ministry of Youth Affairs,
एजुकेशन।
Ministry of Education, Ministry of IB, all of the above.
ऑल ऑफ द
All of the above.
बिल्कुल Ministry of Youth Affairs, Sports, Ministry of Education and Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Recently, Modi ji inaugurated world's first Vedic clock, Vikramaditya Vedic clock based on Indian Panchang. In
उज्जैन।
which city?
Ujjain.
उज्जैन. बिल्कुल. तो मार्च सेट 1 हला सेट 2 काली पचारि आउ कोन थिला कंप्यूटर.
बुक्स एंड ऑथर
कंप्यूटर बुक्स एंड ऑथर्स भल लागे ना बुक्स एंड ऑथर्स टा.
आगे
आउ टिके इतिहास पचारिबा. Speed of first generation computer was in what? Nanosecond, millisecond, microsecond. First generation computer.
मिली सेकंड।
Millisecond बिल्कुल. Second generation computer.
माइक्रो सेकंड।
Micro.
Micro.
Third generation computer.
नैनो।
Nanosecond बिल्कुल. ENIAC, EDVAC are examples of which generation computer?
First generation.
First generation. What is the full form of ENIAC?
Mm,
Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. ହେଲା. EDVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. EDSAC, Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator. ହେଲା. EDSAC रे calculator हुए ଆଉ दुईटा जाक कंप्यूटर. फास्ट जनरल पर्पज कंप्यूटर थिला ENIAC. Who built analytical engine? Charles Babbage, Blaise Pascal, John Napier, Herman Hollerith.
चार्ल्स
चार्ल्स
बाबेज।
बाबेज
Charles Babbage.
Charles Babbage.
First computer which provided storage was what? EDVAC, EDSAC, Mark 1S. Full form जे जानिथिबो से कर देबो. EDSAC, Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator. First computer which provided storage. Who began developing first mechanical computer in 1822? Charles Babbage, Ada Lovelace, Herman Hollerith, Joseph Jacquard. First
Joseph Jacquard.
computer.
चार्ल्स बेबेज
चार्ल्स बाबेज बिल्कुल 1822. Which is not a supercomputer? PDA, Param, Eka, Cray 3.
Grade 3.
ନା ନା ସେଟା ଥିଲା PDA ନଥିଲା ପର୍ସନାଲ ଡିଜିଟାଲ ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ. Which is the world's most powerful supercomputer? Tianhe 2, Vulcan, Fugaku, Titan.
फुगाकू
Fugaku.
होगा को
Fugaku बिल्कुल. जापान.
ସେଟା ଏବେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯିବ.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି. ମୋଷ୍ଟ ପାୱାରଫୁଲ ଅଲଗା. ହଁ ଅପସନ ହିସାବରେ ଫୁଗାକୁ ନହେଲେ ଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟିୟର
फ्रंटियर ବୋଧେ ଅଛି
ୟୁଏସଏ ର ଯୋଉଟା ସେଟା ମୋଷ୍ଟ ପାୱାରଫୁଲ ୱାର୍ଲଡ ର. The word computer was derived from which language? Spanish, Latin, German, French.
लाटिन
Latin language.
लैटिन
Vacuum tubes were replaced by transistors in which generation language? Computer.
सेकंड
सेकंड
Second generation computer बिल्कुल. ट्रांजिस्टर को जनरेशन कंप्यूटर?
सेकंड
थर्ड
सेकंड.
Second generation.
IC,
थर्ड
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 vacuum tube,
फर्स्ट
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 fast. VLSI,
Fourth.
फोर्थ
ULSI,
Fourth.
फिफ्थ अल्ट्रा
हाँ भीटा भेरी लार्ज ଆଉ अल्ट्रा लार्ज हला फिफ्थ जनरेशन. Who invented computer? এটা ছাড়ো ভুলরে পচারছি.
Charles Babbage.
Charles Babbage. What is the full form of VLSI?
वेरी
वेरी
लार्ज
लार्ज
Very large scale integration.
बिल्कुल very large scale integration. Which of the following machines was made by Charles Babbage? Punch card, tabulation machine, arithmetic engine, analytical engine.
एनालिटिकल
एनालिटिकल इंजन
एनालिटिकल
बिल्कुल analytical engine. World's first electronic digital computer is dash. Param, Medha, Siddhartha, ENIAC.
एनियक
एनियाक
ENIAC.
बिल्कुल ENIAC. Who invented tabulating machine? Herman Hollerith, Mary Henry, Ada Lovelace, Alan Turing.
होलेरिथ
बिल्कुल
हार्मन होलर
Herman Hollerith. Name the first general purpose electronic computer. ADVAC, UNIVAC, ADSAC, EDVAC.
Univac.
UNIVAC. UNIVAC was the first general purpose electronic computer. With respect to first digital electronic computer, what is the full form of ABC?
Abacus.
ନାଇଁ ମ ABC ର full form ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ଥିଲା. ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଡିଜିଟାଲ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରୋନିକ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ଥିଲା. AB
Atoms of
कि
very
बेरी
computer.
कंप्यूटर
बहुत बढ़िया. Atanas of Berry computer. The first computer made available for commercial use was what? ADVAC, UNIVAC, MANIAC, ENIAC.
ENIAC.
UNIVAC was the first computer made available for commercial use. इंडिया रा फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर कोठी इंस्टॉल हेतला? IIT दिल्ली, IISc बेंगलोर, इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल इंस्टीट्यूट कलकत्ता, इंडियन आयरन एंड स्टील कंपनी बर्नपुर.
आईएसआई कोलकाता
बिल्कुल
ऑप्शन 3
IISI कलकत्ता, इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल इंस्टीट्यूट. Which was the first Apple computer? Apple 1, Apple 2, Apple Lisa, Macintosh.
Macintosh.
मार्किनटोस
Apple 1 was the first Apple computer. Who was the co-founder of Apple Computer? Paul Allen, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Charles Flint.
स्टीव जॉब्स
Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs. In which generation of computer mechanical language was used for programming? First, second, third, fourth.
First.
थर्ड
थर्ड
First generation.